Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on Chamet. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Chamet application. Now click on the profile of the person that you want to block. Click on the three horizontal dots in the top right corner. And here you can see add to the blacklist option. Tap on it. And that is how you can block someone on Chamet application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.